It's been freezing, I think, last couple of weeks. I mean, when we run it for like long time, like 5 hours.
Okay.
Freezing, and there's no air coming out again.
No air?
Yeah, I think maybe the freeze blockage. So close it.
Yeah.
It frosts after like 2-3 hours and run back again normally.
Okay.
But now we kind of like turn it on and off.
Okay, so I'm waiting for the homeowner to turn it on. This isn't a tenant situation. This is a homeowner. Oh wow. But oh. Phone call. It always does that? It always does that unit? It just started doing that, the unit?
Yeah, the blade fall off a couple times and we try to put it back on.
Oh, the blade fell?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay.
Yesterday it was not spinning at all, and then we leave it for a couple hours. When we turn it back, it's back on.
Okay. All right. And you said it freezes also?
The evaporator coil, the one inside.
The inside?
We
Okay.
see the frozen, and after a couple hours we see a lot of water coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me take this apart and see if. So the metal blade fell and you guys put it back?
Yeah.
Okay. This blade fell, right? And you guys put it back. How'd you put it back? It was a screw in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But we wasn't sure. That's why.
All right. Let me see.
It fall off like 2 times.
Oh, it already fell off?
Yeah.
Yeah, this motor is no good. You can see that there, the shaft is just loose. So I'm gonna look at the pressures first. That way, if it's real low, you know, we'll see what we have to do. I don't want to just replace that motor. Okay, so this is what I was trying to see, guys. It does look low on refrigerant. It doesn't look like it could be another issue, so. Gosh, I got a mess in here. Anyways, the homeowner is right on me, dude. Like, right behind me, so I can barely talk. I got this one on here. Yeah, this one to do. Alright, since I'm here already, I'm looking for oil stains. Since I already got this door off, likely it's at the coil. Have you added refrigerant before to the system?
No. They're like 4 or 5 years. I mean, soon we bought the house.
Refrigerant to that. That's gonna go out soon, and then you're gonna be mad.
Which one go out?
The motor, just by hearing that, that's crazy, man. Look, it's okay. I'm not gonna charge you the diagnostic. I'll just send you an email with the details I found. But I won't charge you the diagnostic or anything like that. But yeah, I can't just add refrigerant and just leave it like that. Cause then something else can go wrong with this, and you're gonna be mad later on.
No, I mean that's separate issue.
That's not a separate issue. That's the same issue. It's two issues in one. But this is your AC system. Look, if I add refrigerant to this now and this thing breaks down in 2 hours, you're gonna be mad at me.
No.
You're gonna be mad. You're gonna be mad. I'm good, man. It's okay. Just cause I don't want to do bad work. You know what I mean? Here's what, guys. He decided to replace it after wasting some time. But it is what it is. I mean, I know it's not easy making that decision. Look at this. There's the new motor. Okay. Alright, folks, y'all gonna be mad, but my camera died, and the homeowner was behind me. I was not about to set up the tripod and all that stuff. Anyways, we got the blower motor on there, the condenser fan motor on there, and we charged it up to 3 pounds of 14A. We got a 10-degree subcool and a 13-degree superheat. Suction pressure is at 144, head pressure at 347. So we got them going. Anyways, we're headed to the next one. I got 2 more calls, and it's 5:03. It is what it is, though. Appreciate it, folks. God bless.